Hello, second grade Smarties, and welcome to our Fundations Review Week. So, we are going to be doing some fun Google Slide activities and seesaw activities with some fun Fundations review. So, we are going to practice building words that have vowel teams, and we're also going to do some practice with some glued sounds and some suffixes. So this week we are going to be doing some fun activities. So make sure to take your time, think about everything, slow and steady wins the race. Okay. So for this week's activity, today's activity, you guys are going to be building words that have vowel teams. Now, the vowel teams that you are going to be building are words with the long A, with I bait A and AY play A. Remember, any vowel team that has a Y will almost always go at the end of a word. So for our first slide, it says drag the correct vowel team to complete the word. So we have a picture of a girl with a braid. So we could tap this out. B-R-A-D, braid. Now, I'm going to drag the correct vowel team. So I have A-Y and A-I. Now, I have a letter at the end of my word. So will A-Y go here? If I look at that doesn't really look right. So sometimes with words, maybe you've seen the word braid before and you know that it doesn't look like that. But we also know that AY goes at the end. So I know that braid is going to be B-R-A-I-D. Okay. I could also put this in present mode if I wanted to, or because you guys are going slide by slide, you can just keep it like this, or you can put it in present mode. All right, for number 2, it says drag the correct vowel team to complete the word. What is the little girl telling the dog to do? Stay. Let's tap out the word stay. Ready? S-t-a. Ooh, it has that long A sound. The vowel team is saying the name of A. So which vowel team is going to go at the end? A-Y or A-I? Which one usually goes at the end of a word? A-Y. So when we see A-Y together, it says A, like play. All right, let's do one more, and then you guys are going to be exploring this yourself. All right, we have a tail. A-L, tail. Both these vowel teams say A. Which vowel team will go in the middle? A-I, right? Because A-Y goes at the end. A-L, tail. When you guys finish building the word, I want you to tap out the word. I want us to get it stuck in our head when we see vowel teams, that we memorize what they say. So when we read these words, we don't have to tap these out. We know when we see two vowels together, they're going to say one sound together. All right, Smarties, remember to keep that growth mindset. Good learners do hard things. And I will see you guys tomorrow with another vowel teams activity. Bye, guys.